Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Alicia again with another video. Today we're doing this thirsty hair of mine. Currently suffering from sun exposure and salt water, but I just washed it, so I'm okay. I'm really excited about showing you all this tutorial, this video, so if you're excited like I am to see it, stay tuned. Things that you will need: you will need some rubber bands, a gel toothbrush, bobby pins, some hair ties, and a styling pomade of your choice. I'm currently in Bali, Indonesia, and this was the closest thing I could find to blocking gel. I chose it because of its water-based formula and the fact that it had 5-star holding level. It's water-based and it had 5 stars. Of course I had to try it on my locks, okay? I'm excited about this. So if you are, go ahead and thumbs up this video. First thing you want to do is separate your hair. You all should know this, or probably not. I ain't told you yet, but I usually stretch my hair for 2 months, and it's very essential for me to separate my hair. You then want to separate 4 locks at a time. This is what you're going to work with for each twist. You want to take 4 locks at a time and put the rest back to this wonderful formula, you all. It had a great bounce to it, you know, if you slap it up, you know. And it smelled like a man, so I was winning with this. Really excited, like I said before, about this product. You're going to take about a dime size amount of it per lock. You can use more or less, but like I said before, my hair was extremely thirsty and it required a dime size amount per lock. You know, you can use your gel brush to brush it up a little bit, touch up your edges. Y'all know how to do this, okay? And then you're going to retwist per usual. I got a quick question for you all too. Which way do you retwist your locks? I retwist counterclockwise, but was told that that was incorrect. So comment down below which way you retwist your locks, because I know I'm not the only one who twists to the left instead of the right. Come on, I'm not the only one. Alright, so here are the 4 locks after I retwisted them. When I tell y'all this product is so good, it had me shook, like on a different level shook. Okay, so next what you want to do is you want to group 2 locks at a time and twist it as usual. So just like you would a regular 2-strand twist, you're going to twist it in a rope pattern. I've slowed down the video so you can see what I'm talking about. Just group 2, twist together, and twist, and twist. You want to repeat this over your entire head, and then boom, magic, your whole head's twisted. Next, what you want to do is you want to start pulling up your hair. So you could leave the twist down, but for me, like I said, I'm in Bali, and y'all, it's hot in Bali, like it's a different level of heat. So I wanted to get this hair up off my neck. So what I'm doing here, I'm just pulling up my hair and bobby pinning it. Honestly, I would prefer if I could just pull it all up at one time and pin it, but because my hair is different lengths, I had to go in at different sections and pin it. This was not in a particular order. I really just wanted to get it off my head and towards the front, trying to create a pompadour type of look. I then went in and started tucking. So next you want to do is you want to tuck in all of the hair so there's nothing left hanging, or I mean you could keep it out and rock the old 90s hairstyle with the spritz. That's still cute too, but do what you do, okay? But for me, I wasn't really rocking with that, so I'm going to continue to tuck all of my hair until I can no longer see the rubber bands on the ends, and it is the shape that I like. Literally, this was just me playing around until I got the form that I want. I suggest you ought to do the same. Just keep playing with it until, you know, it's in the shape that you like. Still cute though. Alright, so this is up close. I'm still tucking in and pushing in my any bobby pins that are out. I am securing it all in together. You know, the last step is to lay them edges. Okay, and this is an up close view of it, y'all. It turned out really cute. I was really cute, and I was really happy that my hair was not on my neck because, like I said, Bali is hot. This is the final results. You all, I'm really excited about it. I hope you are excited about this, and hopefully you're going to try it yourself. And if you like this hairstyle, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And remember, it's Alicia, and to do it yourself because it's your journey. Bye.